Hey guys, this is going to be my ceiling fan display on all speeds. We have a Hampton Bay Minuet II, Hunter Clarion / Passport 2. It's a Clarion, but it's just a Passport, not a Passport. So not Passport 2, Summer Breeze from 1995. And that one's from 2004. And a Fasco Charleston, an antique white from 1987. Put them all in love. And here's the line of Minuets. Not a fan on the display that has a white. Charleston probably wins for most aesthetic. Fasco always had aesthetic lows. Nice little aesthetic low. Here's Passport. Alright, so medium. Let me just check my brightness so you can see that a little better. Alright, medium. That's too high. Oh. I have to say that Minuet actually might win for most intervals. It's smaller, steeper blade pitch. But again, due to the brightness, you can see what's light. Camera will focus. Focus. It's okay, it's somewhat focused, but not really. So yeah, that does it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe share this video with a friend. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye now. Alright, for real this time. Bye.